make lip scrubs at home. So why do you really need a lip scrub? A lip scrub is essential for keeping your lips full, healthy and hydrated. For maintaining healthy lips, it is required to get enough hydration, moisturize lips regularly, prefer oil-based lip balms and choose lead-free lipsticks. The base for the lip scrub is sugar. Sugar is best for their efficiency in exfoliation. It will gently exfoliate dead skin cells. Second ingredient we need is coffee powder. The caffeine content in the coffee rejuvenates the lips, making them flush with color. For making the lip scrub, I took 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Combine them well. After combining, you can store this mixture in an airtight container so that you can use it later. Whenever you feel to get a gentle lip care, take a little quantity of coffee scrub, add few drops of olive oil and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Combine them well. You can apply this to your lips and gently scrub your lips in circular motion for 1 minute and later wash off. Using this lip scrub twice in a week can lighten and soften your lips. For making beetroot lip scrub, we need beetroot powder. This is homemade beetroot powder. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and add 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder. Mix them well. For making the scrub, take a little quantity of beetroot scrub, add a little bit of ghee into it and mix it well. Apply this lip scrub onto your lips and give it a gentle massage. This is my favorite lip scrub as it contains ghee, which help in locking the moisture content, and beetroot gives softer and pink lips. For making aloe vera lemon lip scrub, take 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Pour this mixture into an ice tray and freeze it. Aloe vera infuses your lips with antioxidants that can fight wrinkles and skin damage, whereas lemon is a bleaching agent that helps in lightening the lips. If you are having chapped lips, it is the best lip scrub to be used with. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay safe and thank you for watching.